Imagine starting your day with a perfectly brewed cup of coffee from the Gaggia Anima coffee and espresso machine. As a coffee enthusiast, I was eager to explore its features and performance firsthand. The Anima's sleek stainless steel design and slim profile make it a stylish addition to any kitchen, blending modernity with functionality. Its intuitive buttons and LED display simplify the customization process, allowing you to adjust beverage volume, strength, pre-infusion, and temperature to suit your preferences. This machine's brewing capabilities are top-notch, handling both whole beans and pre-ground coffee effortlessly with its ceramic burr grinder and bypass doser. The Panarello Steam Wand delivers rich, velvety foam for lattes and cappuccinos with ease. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the removable brew unit and automatic rinse and decale cycle, ensuring your machine stays in optimal condition. The low-energy standby mode also helps conserve power when not in use. With ample water and bean capacity, refills are minimized, enhancing convenience. While mastering the ideal brew may require some experimentation with grind size and tamping, the Anima's overall performance justifies its price. In conclusion, the Gaggia Anima coffee and espresso machine offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and customization, making it a standout choice for coffee lovers seeking a superior home brewing experience.